Hello everyone, how are you guys? Today I am back with another hacking video. So today I will hack Zoom online class. So how to blank and hack your Zoom classes. Today it's boring, right? So let's go. We want a application called Minicam. So you guys download. It's for both Windows and Mac also. So I will give you the link on description and you guys download it. First of all, we need our camera. Okay, so that's why I just open my camera. Yes, and now this is the fun part. You just trying a just take a video like you are pretending on class in very patent. So take a video just like 5 minute or 4 minute video. Okay, and save the video, and now I'm closing it. Okay, now you open your software. It's called Minicam. Its name is Minicam software. So this is a paid software. So if you want to crack version, I will give you on description the crack version. So I know you guys are very smart, so that's why I don't show the video how to download and install this the silly thing. So now you just click right button and go to media file, and after that you just select the video which was your record. So now just open it, and guys, please subscribe and like the video. So now you go playlist and turn on the loop. It must be, and turn off the sound. You should mute, and after that you just turn on. Sorry, you just open Zoom. I'm just opening, and guys, I'm again saying like and subscribe, please, because please support me. Uh, Now just join your room, your Zoom room, which you use class or something else. So now I'm joining. Whoo, this funny part. So now you just 4 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, just say hi, hello casually, and done your attendance. And after that, you just go to the video and right click and just transform your webcam to Manicam virtual webcam. You just understand virtual webcam. You just sweep your camera to main your laptop camera to your virtual webcam. Okay, this is the main thing. So I just turn on. Now you're seeing what I was record the video and it's now showing. So everyone will think, oh, he's on patent. Oh, the teacher will be happy and then he will give you an extra mark or something else. So this is 8-bit. If you like the video and if you helpful, please subscribe and share the video. And if you have any problem or something else, please comment and I will give you the solution, or I will make another video for you. So please subscribe and share the video and subscribe, and also like, and I will give you the link on description, crack file or and the application, so you guys go there. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Say cheese.